Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to comp a property. So this right here is a PDF that we get from our virtual assistants, and they're put into Podio. So at the very end of the seller lead right here, there is a PDF, and we click on the PDF and it opens a window. And so what we want to do is we want to find out where the property is. Property is right here, 1012 East 45th Way, Bixby Knolls in Long Beach. So we're going to open up Matrix, we're going to log in, and we're going to click CMA, which is Comparative Market Analysis. And then we're going to click Actives, Pendings, we're going to click Backups, we're going to click Closed Sales, and we're only concentrating on single family residence. Well, we could put anywhere from 2 to 4 bedrooms. So then we're going to jump over to the area. And right on this, you're going to see jump to address. And you're going to pop the address right in here. So there we have it. We have our target property is where our marker is. It's already listed on the MLS, so it's active. So what we'll do is zoom out just a tick. We're going to grab our circle and we will draw a radius. I like to go about a half mile out. And sometimes, right here for instance, Del Amo Boulevard, when you begin looking at other streets like this, if you go on the other side of a street, it might be a completely different neighborhood. So what we want to try to do, and we could just do this, use our polygon tool. Here we'll use this tool right here, clear that, use our polygon tool, and we will just concentrate on this area right here, this square. So now we're given all the properties in the area. So we have an active of 699. That's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We have this other one, our target property. For some reason that's not coming up. Here we go. This is our target property. That's listed for $595. So we have $595 and $699. They're both 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. And then let's see what else do we have? We have a closed at $521. And we have a closed at $455, 3 bedroom, 2 bath. We have an active. See, look at the big jumps here in prices. We have $1 million. So this is going to indicate right here that this is a really more valuable neighborhood, because look at the prices. See that? But then you go west or east of Orange, and then you have a price drop. Big prices. Then you have a closed, which is a price drop. And I wouldn't be surprised if an investor brought that. Let's see what these prices are doing. Yeah, completely. So you can just cross one street and it will change from street to street. So I'm actually going to bring this in a bit more. I'm going to bring these really narrow it down. There we go. And then we have our price drop right around here. So I will use these closed prices right here. That's active, closed, active, active. Ours is active, 521. That's probably where you need to be, because if these aren't selling right now, then they're priced way too high. But that'll give you an idea of how we comp out these properties and how we look at prices. So we're going to go to one. Actually, we'll go back. We'll go back to this right here. Take a look at the other one. Active. This is ours right here. Price reduction. Original list on this was $5.98, so they're not really days on market. 112 days. It's way too overpriced. And this was priced correctly. $50 days on the market still. Original list price, $479. Even this was too much for that neighborhood, $455. So that's how we comp things out. And we could just go ahead and create a CMA report. Pages, we can add, subtract pages, what pages we want. So what we will do then is we will go ahead and take a subject property. Our subject property is going to be the one that we chose from the Craigslist ad. And we're going to paste it in here, and then we're going to have them fill. And it's going to fill everything out for us. Look at that. Everything's filled out. Comparables. We're just going to select all these, ones that we want to use. It shows all the maps where the property locations are. Shows your adjustments, your low and your high. Your pricing. So what we'll just do is finish this off. And then we'll go ahead and view CMA. And there's your comparative market analysis, or your CMA. So what we'll do next is we're going to save this, create a new folder in here, Way Long Beach. Create a new folder, and then we'll call this CMA, and we'll save it right in there. close this window, and there we have it. We just created a CMA report. We comped out a property, and now what we'll do is we will go ahead and add this file into Podio, and done. So now we have our seller lead, we have comps for it, and now we know what the value of the house is and what kind of offer we should make on it. And that's how we do it.